Traditionally in a studio, at least the ones I've seen, you oftentimes have a group of folks that come up with a problem, concept, solution, and vet that independent of the entrepreneurs that ultimately become the founders. At Dial, the entrepreneur, I was involved from day one, and it's an extended program. This is not a 2-week exercise. It's 4+ months of dedicated focus on problem discovery and solution design. And it's led by the entrepreneur in conjunction with the team, with the intent of that entrepreneur actually being the founder of the company. And that is perhaps not unique across every venture studio, but definitely a rare case. The studio is exactly as advertised. It's incredibly well structured, intentionally executed, and extremely well supported. The program lives its people-centered, problem-first ethos to the T, and I've found that extremely valuable and reinforcing everything I was told coming into the program. Not coming in with the solution in mind, coming in with the beginner's mind, looking to understand where the pain was being felt within the industry, leveraging the access we had to uncover those problems and really dig deep, spending more time maybe than someone might be comfortable with, really understanding that problem, then moving into a solution space, right? We were able to accelerate, I personally was able to accelerate very, very quickly from problem to plausible solutions because of that extra time spent really getting deep understanding of what the pain was that we were trying to solve.
What an awesome opportunity to engage with industry participants and potential customers. And, getting that level of engagement and discussion and that quantity as well in such a short period of time has been fantastic and really a value adder.
Both our problem discovery tour and the industry workshop were just extremely valuable. The opportunity to sit down with leaders across the value chain and have candid conversations about the challenges they're facing is a rare opportunity, and I just found it fascinating.
The thing that stands out in this compared to some angel groups I've been in or other accelerators is the domain knowledge, right? So the Purdue Dial team brings such a level of domain knowledge in the agri-food industry, with some of the professors and then and research behind it. And as well, the industry connections or network that the Dial team has. I think access to the ag business network was fantastic and really on point in the last third of the program.
The aha moment was realizing that the ag retailer was our customer, that the primary beneficiary we were trying to serve was the farmer and producer, but the best way to get to that end user was through the ag retailer, and there was a tremendous opportunity to create value for them as they delivered the ultimate value through to their customer that really created a win-win-win across the board. First engaging with ag retailers to understand how they related to their customers, really initially to try to determine, could we go to the customer directly? Could we go to the farmer directly? And it turns out that the reaction we got from ag retailers was, wow, this is a real opportunity for us to deliver value and differentiate ourselves beyond just selling inputs and commoditizing our services to really create a value add for our customers. And then also talking to farmers and realizing that they just don't have the time. I mean, they serve as a general contractor oftentimes.
I think the thing that stood out to me most in the last portion was making the concept tangible from a business perspective. And what I mean by that is, up to this point, we had been working on a concept, both in terms of the problem and solution, but sorting out the price point, the willingness to pay, and translating that into market opportunity and even the path to seed financial model made it more real and tangible in terms of how to execute and the size and attractiveness of the opportunity. So making it tangible is what stood out to me.
Really, from the workshop forward, the level of engagement from the Dial team outside of Sprint Week, really just continued to accelerate and advance. Then during Sprint Week, the team of 7 that came together to really put the pitch together, it was like they had been in the concept almost from the start. They were really up to speed very, very quickly. Everybody was able to be productive and contributing from day one, and added value beyond what I had conceptualized to deliver a final pitch that was, in my view, just outstanding.